Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. We are now progressing quite quickly with the rice chest project. We have the corner trims done, the box is mostly assembled, which I'll just detail in some separate videos follow. There's like 4 or 5 hours worth of video to edit through that process. So it's now time to do the hinges. These will be Dutch style hinges. What this means is that half the hinge will be on the inside of the lid, the other half will be on the outside of the box. So you get a nice flush and clean top surface of the box without having any sort of mounting hardware up there. These hinges will be made from 25mm by 3mm flat stock, 100mm long, with a 6mm pivot pin. So let's get things hot. Put a few little marks so that find them. So I'll be necking in, tapering these a little bit, making a little bit of a lily pad finial, whereas the hasp side, so the bit that goes to the actual clasp, will have a little bit of a fish tail curlicue on the end. So I've got to keep that one separate. Alright, let's get things hot. Alright, so we're just setting in so that we can do a bit of a taper and then have a lily pad at the end. Once I've got a little bit of an edge butchered in, then I'll do the rest of the edge of the anvil. Quickly spreading out the lily pads. We start in the middle, half face blows, work your way out. Once that's achieved, this will require some degree of tidy up afterwards. So that's ready for filing to shape, and then we need to grind a bevel on the other end. So we'll leave this one to Okay, so for these, what we have to do, find one that's reasonably cool, out, is to roll this so that chamfer ends up against the surface. And to keep that from closing in and becoming a squashed circle, I made this, so it's 6mm, which is the pin diameter here, tape it nicely to flare out any closure, and tape it again just to release nice and easily. Alright, let's get these hot and start curling them over, and then we can put some holes in them for rivets and such. Did I say rivets? Screws. Screws. That's the first one. It's ready for drilling. So I'm using this block simply because I don't have sufficient. Basically, I just need some way to stop this from moving. As I round it up. So we're now going to lay out the hinges. So marking in 6mm. So once we've got one laid out, so this one will have the knuckle in the middle cut out. then we can do the other one. Now I'm just going to mark these so I keep these together. It wouldn't do to end up mixing them up. So now all we've got to do is cut those out, cut the sides off, and do the fitting. Now, with a chisel, I'm just going to break out that part. I have to chisel that out. Then we can cut the other one, pair them up, then we'll do the other one, and then we'll do all the futzing and fussing. Once again, you don't actually have to cut all the way through. Just a reasonable sort of 1/3 to 50%, and then it should break out. Just like that. So that one about 1/3 of the way through, I guess. It's just a matter of setting up a weakness. Alright, so we're going to mark out the next one. So we want to leave these marks behind. Just giving them a little bit of a heat to get a nice even black on them. Gently start moving again. This one doesn't need much control. with these, it's a good idea just to get a little bit of, oh, they're probably still a smidge hot for this, but it's a good idea to get a little bit of wax down into the actual hinge mechanism. So now that we've got the hinges done, very smooth acting, they fit up well. It's time to move on to the hasp. And we'll continue working on the bottom, which is actually very close to completion at this point. Look out for those videos in the near future. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're coming up on 500 subscribers, so we'll be running a bit of a giveaway for that. Challenge piece almost been decided. I'm thinking a square made out of some reclaimed steel from a previous video. So look out for that when we hit that milestone. Otherwise, get out to your shop, have fun, but do stay safe. And I'll catch you for the next one.